Hello guys, in this video today I want to show you how to get unlimited lifetime pro access to TubeBuddy, which is of course going to be paid, but you will have a good deal if you are a new channel. So as you can see here, my license is active and this one is not, and this one is a paid one. I haven't yet gotten myself the unlimited access one because I already paid for 1 year, so I don't need to get the unlimited one yet. I'll let it finish and I'll get the unlimited. But yeah, uh, so how do you get the unlimited access pro license? Well, you will need to go to this website right here, dealmango.com slash TubeBuddy lifetime deal, etc. Um, this only $40 lifetime deal. So don't visit this link. Don't visit this link. This is probably gonna be taking your personal info or IP grabber. Don't do that. You probably don't want to do that. Just go to here. That's a legit link to buddy.com. I think that's a legit deal. I just what that did. So just do that. And well, of course it shows me like that, but here what's the thing. Once you connect the channel, which I already did here, but I don't know why it doesn't show it. It's probably because I already have the pro license. But if I didn't have a license, it would show my channel there. So it will show it here. And a brand new channel that are less than 1 month old or have less than 3 uploads, you get a $40 deal, lifetime access, pro, everything you want. That's such a good deal. But if you have more than 1 month or have more than 2 uploads, you get a special rate of $19, which is not that bad again. But you cannot change your license. So if you want to get a legend license or something else, you cannot do that. And they do not offer on legend level licenses. And they also give you a refund if you don't want it. So yeah. Why doesn't it show my channel? Well, I already have the pro license, so it won't show it, but for you we show it. So that's how we do it. If you enjoyed this video, leave this video a like and be sure to subscribe because I do a lot of videos and they will help you out. So that's it.